Okay, today's Thursday, April 17th, just after 5 p.m. I'm walking into my house, 918 Mount Road, Burlington, New Jersey. As I walk in, I notice that my door does not close like it used to. It seems that the contractors, that they ruined my door here, at least the hinge here, doesn't open and stay closed as it should. Part of the deal was to paint the front door a brown color and the back and the inside of the door a white color. As you can see, there was no tape used. I got white on the brown side all the way down here. Very sloppy paint job. And I closed the door. I don't know if it was the materials he used, but it's very beady in here. I got, if I get close enough, I got drip marks here. Let me turn around. This is the front room as you walk in. When I walked into the house after payment, here there was a puddle of paint that I had to clean up. The contractor, Joe Paris, did not clean up the paint. He left there for me. I also noticed as they were cleaning up, or lack of a better word, that there is dark brown paint from the front door all along the wall here, all along. There are a couple spots that need to be touched up in this room, but as I make my way into the kitchen, you can see that there is wall color on the ceiling, very poorly taped. I don't know if he taped it all, but I can make my way down. You can see paint on the ceiling up there, not cut in correctly. I don't know if that's dirt or something, but part of the contract said the verbal contract that him and I agreed upon was that he painted the ceilings. And I don't see that he did. Very poorly done. Tape lines everywhere. I mean, they're visible. He said he was mixing the paint, and as you can see, brush strokes around here, and you can actually see that it bled through. Right from the kitchen. Here's the door we walked in from, coming over here into the laundry room. He didn't finish painting this for some reason down here. Also, if I get out of the shadow here, there is a very poorly patched done here. It looks horrible. Back in the kitchen, going up on the opposite side of that ceiling I had shown, there's more dirt on the ceiling here. Really, it wasn't taped, it looks like. He cut it in by hand. It looks horrible. Alright, so as I go into the back room, which is on the opposite side of the house here, it was a two-tone for a chair rail scheme here. You can tell in the corners, it's bleeding through. Not enough coats of paint. There is actual, let me open the back door here. There was actual paint on the door that was never cleaned, on the lock. I mean, very, very, very unprofessional. Besides that, I mean, he didn't clean up all the tape. What he did put up anyway, very poorly cut in. I got there. If I can zoom in here, there are holes going across. Let me zoom back out, bring you down here. Now, when the contractor, Joe, came back to the house to examine the work that I was just talking about, I showed him these things, and I didn't trust him for taking payment and thinking the job was done. I told him I'd fix it myself and I wanted a refund. That did not happen, obviously. He said his ladder hit this on the way out. This is actually bowed out now. It's gonna have to be cut out and replaced. But it's just very poorly painted. Very poorly painted. I mean, you can see a lot of imperfections. I don't know what he was doing. Once again, bleeding through in the corners. Bleeding through at the very top here. It just looks very, very bad. Where the gas fireplace is, It's not it's bleeding through. He did one layer of paint, it looks like. It's going to cost me tons of money to fix this. In the third bedroom, this is probably one of the worst rooms. Let me turn the light on. You can see there's brush strokes, real thick brush strokes. I mean, all over this room. I don't know if it's the quality materials and tools he was using, but it just looks horrible. I mean, this is right near the window, and just the molding alone looks absolutely horrific. Just look at the molding. Come over here, look at the drip marks. But then I come back up here, and it just looks horrible. Yeah, I even have blue paint up here on the molding. So let's make our way into the second bedroom. We'll start right up with the molding. It wasn't taped properly. There's actual paint on the bottom of the crown molding up here. And it's just like this around the whole room. As for the door frame, as you can see, some of it is white, some is not. It is not consistent. Let me zoom back out, there we go. So it's just not consistent. Alright, so this is the first bedroom, the master bedroom. Same problem in here. It's not cut in properly. You know, there wasn't enough tape, or he just didn't use tape. I don't know, but very, very poorly done. Very poorly done. Same thing in the closet here. It's just very, very poorly done. For some reason, he was to paint the closets, but as you can see, he must have used one layer and did not finish. As I make my way back across in the master bedroom, this is the bathroom. The bathroom, as you can see, there is paint all in the grooves of the fresh tile that was laid. It's gonna have to get regrouted, scraped up and regrouted. I tried to clean it up the best I could, but this is all I had. In the corner here, there's this little beam that sticks out in the bathroom. As you can see, it wasn't filled correctly. It's gonna take lots of spackle and fix. There's bubbles. I don't know how well you can see in the video, but there's bubbles up here at the ceiling. They need to get cut out and redone. For some reason there's cracks. It's just very poorly done. As we make our way back out to the front room here, this is really just about it. It's just very poorly done. Like I said, my name is David Jones. This is 918 Mount Road, and I had my house painted and spackled, and I had the general contractor Joe Paris from Paris & Son Construction hired a week ago. He didn't finish. He didn't live up to his end. I paid him in full, and please help. Thank you.